Hello students, now today we are going to discuss about large numbers. So till now you have learnt from 1, 2, 3, 4, tens, hundreds. Now we are going to learn large numbers and we are going to see how these are important in our daily life. So let's start them. So in your book, page number 66, you are having fill in the blanks. So let's see, first fill in the blank. The smallest 3-digit number is A. The smallest 3-digit number is. So what is the smallest 3-digit number? The answer is 100. Till 99 we are going to get only 2-digit numbers. After 99, that is 100. The 3-digit number will start from 100. So the answer is 100. Second fill in the blank is the greatest 3-digit number is. The greatest 3-digit number is. Students, you have to remember one thing. Here he is asking 3-digit number. Which one? Greatest 3-digit number. Here you have to see 3-digit number. Which one? Smallest. If you are going to understand this, then you will get the correct answer. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. After 999, you are going to get 1000, which is going to be the 4-digit number. So our required answer is 999. You have to read the question very carefully to get the correct answer. Third fill in the blank. The face value of 7 in the number 379 is. The face value of 7 in the number. So the third fill in the blank is the face value of 7 in the number 379 is. So face value, you have to remember what is face value. He is asking the face value of 7 in the number 379. The face value of a number will be itself. So the answer is 7. 7 is itself the face value of in the number 379. Next one. Next one. The place value of 7 in the number 739. The place value of 7 in the number 739 is. So here you have to remember the place value. He is asking the place value of what? Of 7. In which number? In 739. The place value represents its value. The value of 7 in what place it is asking about. So the place value of 7 in the number 739 is 700. It is its place value. This is a 3-digit number. Here you are going to get ones. 9 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 7 is in hundreds place. it is 700. Next one, the number that comes just before 690 is, the number that comes just before 690 is, the number that comes just before 690 is. So what you are going to do? 690 minus 1, that is 689. This is the number you are going to get before 690. If you are going to add plus 1 to this, you will get 690. Read the question very carefully. He said just before 690. Before is the keyword here. Next one, the number that comes just after 59 is, the number that comes after 59. If he is asking before 690 minus 1, you are going to get this number 689. Before means you have to do minus 1 minus, and if he is asking after, you are going to add plus 1 to this 59, because he is asking after 59. So add 1 to this, you are going to get 60. So here before, here after, these are the keywords you have to remember. Read the question very carefully. Next one, students. The 3-digit number has 3 places. A 3-digit number has 3 places. What are those? So a 3-digit number has 3 places. A dash place, and he has given ones place. This is one of the answer. So let's take one 3-digit number, 333 for example. So just before I have said what, this 3 is in ones place, this 3 is in tens place, this 3 is in hundreds place. What he is asking? 3-digit number. A 3-digit number is having 3 places. What are they? Ones place, tens place, hundred place. So what are these? A hundreds place, a tens place, and a ones place. He has already given this is ones place. Next one, the symbol to show greater than is, the symbol to show greater than is. So for example, 2 is greater than 1, which means 2 is bigger than 1. How we are going to represent this? With this we are going to represent the greater than symbol. This is called the greater than symbol. And 1 is less than 2. This is called the less than symbol. 2 greater than 1. So this is called the greater than symbol. We are going to represent the greater than with this symbol. Okay, clear? So once again I am going to revise this for your better understanding. So the first answer, first fill in the blank. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. Clear? B. Now we have to revise this again. Answers for the fill in the blanks. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. Clear? The greatest 3-digit number is 999. Next one. The face value of 7 in the number 379 is 7 itself. Next one. The place value of 7. The place value of 7 in the number 739 is 700. Next one. The number that comes just before 690 is 689. How we got this? 690 minus 1, because he said before, so you are going to get 689. Next one. The number that comes just after 59. After 59. Remember, after 59. After 59 you are going to get 60. If he is asking after, you should add 1. If he is asking before, you are going to minus 1. A 3-digit number has 3 places. What are they? Hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. Clear? The symbol to show greater than is. What is the symbol to show greater than? Just now I have said 2 greater than 1. This is the greater than symbol. 1 less than 2. This is the less than symbol. To remember, I am saying, how is this? We will write L like this. L. This is also similar. L. Less than L. Remember like this. So there is one thing you have to remember. A point to remember. What is that? The smallest two-digit number is 10. The smallest two-digit number is what? 10. Next one is the greatest two-digit number. The greatest two-digit number is what? It is 99. So the smallest two-digit number is 10. From 10 only we are going to start. We are going to get two-digit numbers. Before 10 we are going to have only single-digit number. So this is the greatest single-digit number, and this is the smallest double-digit number. The greatest two-digit number is 99. After 99 we are going to start what? Plus 1. After plus 1, what we are going to get? 100. This is the three-digit number. So similarly, the smallest three-digit number is what? Smallest three-digit number, 100. Remember, just now I have said in the fill in the blanks, the greatest two-digit number is 99. So what is the greatest three-digit number? Greatest three-digit number is 999. Similarly, you are going to get in your further classes. Clear? Next topic, students. Write the place value and face value of the colored digit. Open your textbook, page number 67. In page number 67, you are having this small topic. of place value and face value. So what is place value? This says at which place your given number is, and this says, suppose you will identify a person by looking his face. So by seeing that number, you have to say what is it, that's all. Face number is the number itself, but place value is going to change according to the number's place. Okay, so let's see. First one is 642. So this is red colored number. We have to find out the place and face values of red colored digit. This is in 6 is in red color. So what is the place value? Place value and face value. Place value, this is in hundreds place. Just now I have said 2 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 6 is in hundreds place. So place value is 600 for 6 in the number 642. Next, face value. What is the face value? 6 itself. By looking at the number, we will say what is that number. So that is the face value. 6 is the face value. Clear? Next one. Next number is 23. This is a 2-digit number. 3 is in red color. So we have to find the place of 3. Place value and face value. Place value 3 itself, because this is in ones place, this is in tens place. 3 is the place value. Next, face value. What is the face value of 3? 3 only. Next one, 235. Here 3 is in red color. Clear? This is a 3-digit number. So what? This is 5 is in ones place, this is in tens place, this is in hundreds place. For your remembering, write here ones, tens, hundred, so that you can find out place value and face value. What is the place value of 3 in 235? It is in tens place, so the value is 30. Clear? What is the face value of 3? Face value is 3 itself. Clear? Next one. Next number is 594. 5 is in red color. So what is the place value? Place value is, once again, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Place value is 500. What is the face value? 5 only. By looking at the face of the number, you can say what is that number. So that comes in the face value. E. 94. This is a 2-digit number. So 9 is in red color here. This is the ones place, this is the tens place. 9, place value is 90. What is the face value? 9. Clear? Next number is 346. 4 is in red color. So we have to find the place value and face value of what? Of 4. Which number is in colored? So we have to find the place value and face value of that number only. Read the heading carefully. 4. The face value of 4 is, place value of 4 is, so once again this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 4 is in tens place, so the place value is 40. Next one, the face value is, what is this number? By looking at it, we can say what is that number by looking at the face of the number. So 4 is the face value of that number. Clear, students? So this is the place value and face value of the colored digits. This is the second activity we have looked at.